Hey everybody, right here I have this slime and I'm here with another video. So yeah, let's do this slime video. So this is the slime. It's a bit sticky because I put lotion in. And yeah. So let's get to the video. I'm gonna talk about maybe my life a little bit while we're playing with the slime. So yeah. So as you know, my name is Gina Vu. Sorry, I have a cold. Like I said in my first video. I was born in California in 2017. My middle sister was born with me. And I used to be the youngest, was born in Michigan, and my oldest was born in Michigan too. So, the reason why we were all born in, two of us and two of the other ones were born in different states because my mom traveled a lot. She came from Asia, and sorry, it was my niece. So, anyways, what I would say was that my mom was born in Asia. She got divorced with my dad, and he's in California with my brothers. My brothers are in high school. My oldest brother is 17, and my used to be youngest. My other brother is 16. So one of them is 11. One of them is 12, and my oldest sister is 24. My middle sister is 23, and my used to be the youngest is 21. And I am an aunt. That's why you hear a lot of noises because of my niece. And she's watching SpongeBob, but she's on the table with me. And yeah, so right now I'm just here at 9 o'clock with you guys, so hopefully we can hit at least 10 likes, please. Well, I haven't looked at my channel for right now, but I will when I'm done editing this video. So yeah, I'm going to look at it and see how much likes, and if we have 10, I will celebrate it by giving one of these pieces away to one of my classmates. Or my crunchy slime. Yeah, my crunchy slime. I'm going to give away my crunchy slime. And yeah. I think I'm going to give it to Evan since he made me do YouTube videos because he inspired me. I guess he did inspire me, so I'm going to give him my crunchy slime to see if we have 10 likes and at least have 4 subscribers. So yeah, I saw his video at 7 o'clock. You guys should watch it. It's pretty funny, but he did his best. He did his really good best. So, yeah. Try to check him out and subscribe to him and give him a like and please give him at least over 5 because he's my friend and he at least wants to get over 3. But I think he should get over 5 because he's really talented. And smart. And he's a good friend. So yeah. Also, in my life, my grandma died. I didn't know who she was, barely, because she was in California or something. I don't know, Michigan. But when they were my sisters, when they were little kids, oh, and I was not born. When they were little kids, they used to go to her house all the time, but now they don't because she's dead. She's only 60, but she looks really old. Not to me. And I just found out if somebody dies, then you have to make foundation or makeup on them because they. Well, it's hard to explain it, but it's like whenever they die with their eyes open. I know that's disturbing or wrong, but it's the truth. I'm just telling the truth. So, hopefully you subscribe to him. And yes, my grandma is okay. They buried her a few days ago. And my cousin came over, and a funny thing was that I still remember when we were little kids, we used to tease each other. So my cousin, she would always let me go first to the basement, and I would always tell her that she was a scaredy cat, and she was like, no, and I would always say, yeah, And I was like, how come you let me go first? And he was like, fine, let me go first. And then she went first to go up, and I went last. I was like, you're such a scaredy cat. But me and my cousin are friends on Roblox too. Oh yeah, on Roblox. Please follow me also, and try to friend me. And I'll try to delete more friends maybe. And yeah, if you guys want to know, I do speak a little bit of Spanish, but I do not speak a lot in Spanish. But I have to sing Spanish for my concert and for school. But if you guys are in school, please put hashtag notification squad and hashtag school and hashtag Espanol and other stuff you guys want. Well, you guys don't have to put all this stuff, but I would seriously recommend it. But if you guys don't wanna, you guys don't have to. And in every comment, I will comment down below for you guys. So yeah, I think I'll end it here maybe. So yeah, bye.